Are you encountering the error message there was a problem setting up biometric authentication on this device? While trying to set up Face ID on your iPhone, this issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, including software glitches, incorrect settings, or even hardware-related problems. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Before you start, go to the Control Center, turn off Low Power Mode, tap and hold Brightness, turn off True Tone from here. Now go back to the process. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features. Also enable haptic unsuccessful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. Solution 2. Check screen time restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. If screen time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure to turn off the restriction on iPhone. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Software updates often include fixes for Face ID issues, so this might resolve the problem. If none of the above solutions work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and Face ID configurations. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, and confirm the reset. After resetting all settings, try setting up Face ID again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve there was a problem setting up biometric authentication on this device error and successfully set up Face ID. Let me know if these tests helped or if you have further questions.